Clear the way! Move it! The civilians need to stand back! Emergency personnel are on their way. Any unharmed individuals need to leave the area immediately. Hey, I need you to stay with me. Don't lose consciousness yet. You're going to be fine. Your injuries aren't too serious. We'll get picked up and you'll get the medical treatment you need. I know it hurts, but it's only a few more steps until we get to that bench. You can rest there. Come on, it's not that far. You need to cooperate with me a little longer. Okay. All right. Gently. Don't let go just yet. There. Good for now. Look, I know you're tired, but you need to keep your eyes open. At least until we get back to headquarters. A doctor needs to evaluate you, especially because you might have a concussion. You can relax when you're in a proper bed. Wait, what's wrong? Why are you shivering? Are you hurting anywhere else? I know I rushed with bandaging you earlier. You need to tell me where it hurts so I can help you. You're upset because your buddy got... Right. That devil did get them. Look. What you need to focus on is the fact that you held your own and you made it out in one piece. I know that's difficult to handle right now. But I need you to look beyond the fears you're feeling and the grief. That devil was taken out by your own efforts. I know it wasn't easy. But you did damn well for your first assignment. And now you're safe. Because of you, there won't be any more lives lost because of that devil. You're coming out of this with a few scars, which I think is pretty lucky. Other people lose limbs or an eye. Wait, no, that wasn't supposed to make you cry more. Shh. It's going to be fine. You need to relax. We're going to get out of here soon. You need to listen to me, okay? Stop blaming yourself for the mistake of others. Your buddy ended up like that because they were careless. You did what you could in the heat of the moment. And you were doing your best in the face of fear. You were brave. And you were more than enough to defeat it. In the very least, you got back at it for what happened to your buddy. So stop thinking things like, if I were better, or if I were stronger. Because that type of thinking isn't going to help you. Not here. You have more strength than you seem to realize. So stop underestimating yourself. Life is an uphill battle. But you decided to not take that battle lying in the dirt. I don't know why you're here. Most devil hunters are avenging something in whatever way they can. Others have an altruistic dream they want to fulfill. Hell, some people are just in it for the money. My reason for being here? Well, you know what happened years ago with the gun devil. I became a hunter because I intend to destroy that thing. No matter what it takes. The special division is filled with different, people. And I need as many of those people as I can to eventually fight that devil. We have whatever chainsaw monstrosity Denji is. There's plenty of fiends like Power or Angel. Then there's Makima. To be honest, I think most of them have a few loose screws. Their heads are wired differently, however you want to put it. Maybe I'm the crazy one for wanting to go after the gun devil so badly. But I intend to reach that goal before I die. You can look at me like I'm the crazy one all you want. But you have a reason to be out here too. I'm not going to judge you and your reasoning. But you made the move to be here and to survive. You want to know about my days as a rookie? They weren't much different from this. I've seen a lot of people pass. And I've seen plenty of devils taken out, too. I was a lot like your buddy back there. Reckless. Careless. I wanted nothing more than to be strong and rush to my goal. I've made plenty of sacrifices already. And I kept making them until I realized I needed to start thinking a little more clearly. Himeno made me realize a few things about myself. And, well, she influenced me more than I'd care to admit. Even from early on. She suggested for us to switch to the private sector. But at that point, I already carelessly threw away a lot of my life. So here I am. Still working as a public safety devil hunter. If you really think that you're not cut out for this sort of work, then go ahead and switch to the private sector. I'm not going to stop you. It would be safer for you, relatively speaking. Bounty hunter types get to pick and choose what they take on. You could just be a regular civilian too. If you wanted to leave all this behind. Hell, there's nothing wrong with wanting to live a normal life, if you can. If Makima were here, she would just convince you to stay, since she needs you. She's good with her words, and getting people to go with her plans. But I'm not her. And I'm not going to stop someone from leaving. Fight the fight for as long as you want. Take the job seriously along the way and keep moving on. But leave if you must. Or if you can't take the job seriously anymore. Good. I'm glad Denji actually listened to me and called. Alright, it's time for you to get up. Easy now. No need to rush. Whoa! Hey! I told you to take it easy. If you decide to stay, it would be nice to have another buddy to go out with. Drinks and food with friends is nice. When there's time for that sort of thing. But don't make any rash decisions tonight. Just rest once you're cleared too. I'll come to check in on you later, okay?